Hey friends, if you wish to fix USBXHCI.SYS blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reinstall the USB drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window, and then expand the list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on the first set of drivers and then select Uninstall Device. Then click on Action and scan for hardware changes. Do it for all the USB drivers. Now I won't do it because that will disconnect the mic. Next one is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool to check for RAM issues. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. The next solution is System Restore. So search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and open Recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Click on Next. Choose a good restore point. Click on Next and then finally click on Finish. The last solution is a Cloud Reset. Right click on the Start button. Select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and click on Recovery. Click on Reset PC. Click on Remove Everything. And now select Cloud Download. This will surely fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.